अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेल यहाँ पे आज न्यू वेजिटेबल मार्केट ओपन हो चुकी है, तो चलते हैं विज़िट करते हैं। B86. B86.
This one, okay?
Yeah.
B this side.
Where?
So you go through here, then you go.
वेल यहाँ पे एक जगह है सेलिया। इट्स अ प्लेस इन सेलिया। So if you want to come from Alwar Street, you can follow the map. I will put in description. And it's unfortunately I came on wrong place. It's by kilo shop. I also want to kilo, but my shop number is B86. It's a series of A. Let's take a look how they make a new shops here in vegetable market. It's a developed country, developed shops, everything very beautiful, mashallah. How you see they will put their vegetables and stuff here, so it looks like here very beautiful, mashallah. Before this was in Salwa Road, and now it's came here in Celia. This place name is Celia, and here also security cameras. Some of the persons are sitting here for working, and I'm going to my friend. He has shop in B86. Every time I buy the stuff from him, but I not see anything here. Unfortunately, I think he not moved to here, so I have to call him. Yeah, this one is B86. But he is not here. Well, I came here to show you, but it's functional by tomorrow. So come here, visit. This is new vegetable market in Qatar. It's very beautiful. Everything is new here, and shops. It looks like it's very decent. So in the behind you can see shops, how they make. So keep subscribing for latest update. Remember me in your prayers, and Allah Hafiz.